Okay, here we go. I'm going to show you how to get rid of the black and make individual pictures of your gems. Got to open the file. Here, gems. Okay. Next step, get rid of the black and the white on here. Okay. So what I use is fuzzy select. Don't know why it isn't in the select, but it's here. Maybe it's in tools. Selection tools. Fuzzy select. Or you can pick it here. Watch this. Press the delete key on your keyboard. Voila, they're gone. Now what we're going to do, again, fuzzy select, increase this a bit. Press the delete. Same thing on the other one. Press the delete. Select. None. So now you've got it. 16 gems on one sheet. So if you use image and slice using guides, it's going to work, but you have to put your guides on first. The guides are horizontal and vertical, and they fit across the entire screen panel here. To get them, you could do them one at a time here. Okay, the guides here. New guide, 5%. New guide, tell them where to put it. New guide from selection, remove all guides. I like to go right to the edge here. See? You go to the edge and you click and you hold your right, you hold down your left button. You put it, the separation of the first, second, and third rows. And you're going to do the same thing for the columns. So these will be vertical guides. One here. One at the other side. And here you go. One in the middle. That's how fast it is. So now what we have to do is take our images and divide them. You want 16 separate images? Fine. Image, and I use this plugin called Slice Using Guides. You click on that and watch it go. You see how fast that is? You can't get any faster than that. But now you're going to have to go and save each individual image. You see, if I just move this, widen this a bit, and you can see all your images on the top. And you're going to have to save the 16 images one at a time. I know there's another plugin that will save them to a folder, but sometimes you have to go check the folder, come back, do it again, do it. Here you can see what's going on. If it's no good, you just do it, just close it, discard the changes, and start over. That's really the quickest way.